Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset any Gshock if the analog and digital time are not matching. As you can see, the analog hands is showing 12 past 2 and the digital display is showing 3:27. Today I will show you how to fix this issue. First step is to put the watch in the timekeeping mode by pressing the mode button few times until you see the day of the week or the time on the screen. Press and hold the forward button, the right bottom button until you see hard set and sub flashing on the screen. Press the same forward button few times to move the hand of the small speed dial to the mark 50. Now depending on your watch, the speed dial may be on the right, left or on the top of the watch. Press the mode button once and wait for the hands to stop moving. Once the hands stop moving, use the two buttons on the right side of the watch to move the minute hand and the hour hands towards 12. That is either showing the time at noon or midnight. To finish and exit the setting, press the adjust button once. Now the hands will rotate to the correct time displayed on the digital display. As you can see, the watch has been fixed. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.